Hello, YouTube. What would you say if there was a platform where you can quickly create AI slides, AI sheets, AI documents, or even write code or bring your app idea to life? Well, I've been testing and playing around with Genspark for a while now, and it's been my go-to platform for different use cases for my teaching business. Let me show you what you can do with Genspark. The Genspark free tier is 200 credits per day, meaning I've managed to create a presentation for these 200 credits, and then pretty much I've run out of them. But it has a pretty friendly pricing, and you can check out the pricing later, but it starts from $20 per month, I believe. Anyway, so you got this slide option where you can pretty much add images, videos, and sounds and give a topic. So let's test it. So just to present you how this works, I'll use the audio version. Create a presentation about freshwater eels with pictures, fun facts, and a map of where different species can be found. Now it takes about 5 to 10 minutes, so in the meantime let's go to a different feature so I can show you how Gen AI docs work. Here you have different types of documents that you can generate or use the templates. Let's say I want to create a CV or resume. I like this CV. Okay. So it's like an editor. I will attach a screenshot of my LinkedIn page and let's see if it can create a CV showing my experience. Let's see what happens. But here it is. It actually adapted from the PDF and it looks accurate. Here you go, the ready-made presentation. It generated quite a few slides that you can export it into a PDF or PowerPoint presentation to continue editing it. And to be honest, I'm pretty impressed with the quality. Of course, at some point you might run out of credits because 200 is not much, but you could always come back tomorrow and continue the work. Now, when it comes to the CV that I decided to create over here, well, it failed to upload the photo because it says you've used all your credits. So if I was really that motivated, I would come back tomorrow, or I would download this as a Word document and then add the photo myself. These are the two most interesting features on Genspark, maybe apart from the super agent coder that will code apps for you, but I will show that next time. There's also a agentic browser that you might find interesting, but I will cover that in a different video. So there you go. I just showed you my favorite tools on Genspark. Let me know what you think about it. And if you'd like to see my latest video, you can have a look at how I create Quizlet flashcards right over here, or my latest review of EdCafe AI, which I believe if you're a teacher, you might find it interesting because it might save you a lot of time. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.